morning. Morning, guys. I don't know if you guys can hear me. I don't know if you guys can hear me. It's just I need to buy a mic. Trying to make breakfast for my son. I just hope this cartoon will not cost me copyright. After giving my son breakfast, I went to get something downstairs. So as I was downstairs, I was now perceiving something. I was perceiving hot beans, guys. I was perceiving hot beans, and I think that person used enough onions, pepper. And I said, no, I think I'm having beans this morning. My son's cartoon is like it's making a hell of a noise. Let me go and turn down the volume. Okay, I'm back. So I'm making beans this morning. I'm a short woman, so I have to climb. I think this my beans is beginning to have this water. I don't know whether I should put it inside the freezer. Please, how do you store your beans? I don't want to add that pepper. I don't know whether I should put it inside the freezer. So let me just okay. And I have leftover beans inside the freezer, but I want fresh cooked one. Or when I'm cooking, I will just turn that remaining one inside this place. That's what I'm doing. So I won't be having leftover. This one I'll cook it differently. That's what I'm gonna do. Bring my pepper now. Pepper. This one wants to take over my beans. Guys, please tell me how you store your own beans. Like this is my own, you know. Come to something else. So let me pick my beans and I'll get right back to you guys. I've cut my onions. I've blended my pepper. Let me get my potato. So I brought my potato. Guys, I've had this potato in my freezer for I don't even know how long. This is the best place to store potato, in the fridge, not freezer. Sorry, in the fridge. It won't spoil. Guys, I like adding curry to my beans. So just a little, not much. I like adding curry to my beans. So I'm going to just add a little curry. Add my curry.